back view of chasing the sun counterclockwise under the right leg. Right. So, under the right leg, under the right leg. And then we did clockwise, left under left leg. And then we discussed, I don't know how much we did of the one where you're in butterfly like this, and then you, in overhand, you go from the front to the back like you would, like it's a hip reel. So same basic movements, but from the butterfly instead. And what we'll do is we'll go under 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and under, and 2, 3, 4, and under, and butterfly, 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 under, and butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Let's switch hands now. So we'll do your right hand, which is my left hand, and 5, 6, 7, and under, and butterfly, 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 under, butterfly, 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 under, butterfly, 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 under, and butterfly, 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 under, and butterfly, 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 under, butterfly, 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 under, butterfly, 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 under, and butterfly, 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 switch hands, other hand, and go under, and butterfly, butterfly, switch hands and go under, and butterfly, 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 switch hands and go under, and 3, 2, 1, other hand, and 3, 2, 1, other hand, and 3, 2, 1, other hand, 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 and 3, 2, 1, other hand.